Yeah, absolutely.
Zoe.
She is so busy right now. To get those hard to reach chips. Was that yummy? Oh, you're going back. All right, there you go. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Zoe,
Did you get it all?
did you get those hard to reach ones at the bottom? Huh? Hey.
Look at her nose.